Hi, fourth graders. Today what we're going to do is we're going to look at a second way to multiply a 2-digit times 2-digit number, and that's with multiplication arrays. In order for us to get started with it, let's look at our vocabulary. First, we need to know what a row is and what a column is. Rows go across, horizontal, and columns go up and down, vertical. So let's get started with our first one. In order to do a multiplication array, first you need to know how many rows there are. Remember, rows go across. So we're going to see how many rows we have. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're going to write a 13 on the side. Now we're going to see how many columns we have going down. So just important, I know we already counted this one when we went down, but we're going to count it again when we go across. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So up here at the top, we would put a 12. So our multiplication equation would be 13 times 12. And that's how you do a multiplication array. So let's try another one. Again, first we have to count the rows going across. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to write 10 on the side. Now we're going to go across the top. And then remember, we count this first one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you notice that the rows and the columns were the same? They were both 10s. This is what we call a perfect square. The reason it's called a perfect square, because if you remember last year in geometry, you learned that when you have a square, all the sides are the same length. Well, if I kept counting, this side's going to be 10 and this side's going to be 10. So it made a square. So anytime you have an array where the rows and the columns are the same, you have made a perfect square. And it can be anything. It can be 2 by a 2, a 5 by 5, a 20 by a 20. So our multiplication problem would be 10 times 10 for this one. Erase. Let's go on to the next one. So again, we're going to count our rows going across. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to write 10. And up at the top, remember to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our equation would be 10 times 15. So just remember, when you're doing a multiplication array, you do the rows times the columns. How many are going across times how many are going down. And that was our last problem to go over. Just remember that if the rows and the columns are the same, we call it a perfect square. And good luck practicing later today with your multiplication arrays.